Ready or not, the AI revolution is upon us, and it's going to reshape the world like never before.
AI is going to take all of our jobs and render us useless. And I, for one, am stoked.
Oh, I was absolutely terrified. I remember it was across the job site. I was in another machine, and when I finally got close enough, it spun around to where I can see the cabin. There was no one in it. And that's when I was told that it's a robot.
Jobs are being transformed and opportunities will be abound, but only for those who seize the moment. Are you ready to rise above the rest? Here are the top 5 AI skills that will set you apart from the crowd and catapult you into the future of infinite possibilities. Number 1, prompt engineering, where the magic meets machines.
You're inputting a prompt and then you're outputting something completely new that is learning from all that info and creating something to answer the prompt.
We get back this almost worthless code. We teach people how to get back this. Each individual file, I'm going to get back every single component that I need to build it.
Unlocking the true potential of AI is a lucrative art. Prompt engineering is your secret weapon for wielding AI like a wizard. As a prompt engineer, you possess the ability to craft the right words that set the AI's gears in motion, delivering the desired outcome. Captivating content, targeted marketing, and unmatched efficiency. Imagine conjuring up marketing campaigns that resonate with audiences on a deeply emotional level, or producing written works that evoke laughter.
That's what this is going to be. So it doesn't ask for any prompts. It just makes stuff. First they think about you, then they bury you, then they sodomize you? What?
Tears and inspiration. The possibilities are endless, and companies will clamor to hire you and recognize the power you hold. Your paycheck will be the stuff of legends as you become an indispensable asset in a world driven by AI innovation. Number 2, creative AI thinking. Embrace the imagination.
I think that artificial intelligence will allow humanity to enter a creative renaissance.
AIs can crunch numbers at lightning speed, but they lack the magic of human creativity. Nurture the spark of imagination, and you'll be the alchemist AI seeks. In a world where data-driven decisions are the norm, creative AI thinking.
In the last decade, we've increased the amount of computing resource by a factor of 100 million. It's a very profound shift.
This technology has advanced with ever greater speed.
AI is the next leap forward.
Is the catalyst for groundbreaking innovation, teaching machines to dream, to envision new worlds, to create art, music, poetry, and boundless creativity. By infusing your unique touch into AI-generated works, you'll capture the hearts of audiences worldwide. The future belongs to those who can harmonize the analytical prowess of AI with the unparalleled beauty of human imagination. Number 3, AI ethics, the moral architects.
How will machines know what we value if we don't know ourselves?
In the pursuit of technological advancement, ethical considerations have never been more crucial. The rise of AI ethics has given birth to a new breed of professionals, AI ethicists, experts who guide AI with an unwavering moral compass.
To be used effectively in defense, robotics, autonomous systems, and artificial intelligence, RAS AI, must be trustworthy and trusted to do their job as intended.
The role as moral architects ensures that AI remains a force for good and doesn't take a treacherous turn. As an AI ethicist, you will tackle complex dilemmas, navigate uncharted territories, and safeguard the welfare of humanity. The demand for your wisdom and expertise will be immeasurable as companies and governments seek your guidance to create AI systems that uplift society, promoting fairness, accountability, and inclusivity. Number 4, data storytelling and visualization. Decode the secrets. Data is the lifeblood of AI, but it needs storytellers to breathe life into it.
But with AI especially, I'm really optimistic. And I think that people who are naysayers and kind of try to drum up these doomsday scenarios are I don't understand it. I think it's really negative, and in some ways I actually think it's pretty irresponsible.
Mastering data visualization transforms you into a sorcerer who weaves enchanting tales from raw information. As a data storyteller, you have the power to reveal patterns, insights, and hidden truths buried within vast datasets. Imagine standing before a room of CEOs, effortlessly presenting intricate data in a way that captivates their attention and drives informed decision-making. Your ability to narrate the story hidden within the numbers will command respect, recognition, and influence, propelling you to the forefront of the AI revolution. Number 5. AI-powered personal branding, the celebrity connection.
Immediately take some of these generative AI ads, test them, and see what drives clicks, what drives a response from their audience.
In this age of personalization, your brand is your magic wand. Embrace AI-powered personal branding, and you'll captivate audiences like never before. AI-driven tools enable you to analyze vast amounts of data, understanding individual preferences and needs, tailoring your message accordingly. Through AI-powered personal branding, you'll forge deep connections with your audience, transforming strangers into devoted fans and advocates. The power of this connection extends beyond business. It's about inspiring and positively impacting lives, creating a ripple effect of influence that reaches far and wide. The AI wave is unstoppable, and you're about to ride it to greatness.
So now we've got AI that is like a virus. It is so unstoppable.
Choose your skill, seize the moment, and the future will bow before your brilliance. Are you ready to embark on this epic journey? Let us know in the comments, and together we'll make history. Embrace the AI revolution and become a pioneer in shaping the world's future with your unique talents. The world is waiting for your magic. Let's make it happen.